Have you ever met an adult who is successful on paper but still feel lost inside? They've got the degree, the house, the job, and even the smile. Maybe. But behind that smile is a quiet question. Why am I even doing all this? The type looks great on Instagram, but on Mondays, life feels like a punishment. Here is the truth. Many of these adults were raised without a sense of why. And that's the same pattern many of us, yes, even the best of us, are passing down to our children. We prepare our children to make a living, but forget to help them find the meaning. We teach them how to succeed, but not how to stay centered. And that's why so many adults today are achieving far more better than ever, yet they feel emptier than ever. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to raise children who know their purpose early. As a parenting coach who has worked with hundreds of families, I have seen this again and again. Children raised without a sense of purpose often grow up into adults who spend their lives searching for one. Stay with me to the end because in this video, you will discover the warning signs of purposeless parenting and 3 powerful shifts that can help you raise your child with direction, confidence, and peace. Number 1, the hidden epidemic. This is parenting on autopilot. Honestly, most of us as parents were parented in that manner. Rules, stars, expectations, without checking if they even fit our children's wiring. It's like downloading a parenting app from 1985 and expecting it to work on a 2025 child. Spoiler alert, it crashes often. When we raise children on achievements instead of alignment, we create high performers who are inwardly unsure. They can score 100 on tests, but fail the test of knowing who they are. I once met a 16-year-old named Daniel, smart, obedient, and top of his class. But one day, he told his mom, "I don't even know what I like anymore. I just do what I am supposed to do." That is not rebellion, that is confusion. Number 2, what happens when purpose is missing? Here is what happens when children grow up without purpose. They live their lives second-guessing themselves. They depend on others for validation. And they chase achievements, but never feel fulfilled. Purpose is what tells a child you matter, not just because of what you do, but because of who you are. Raising a child without purpose is like sending a child into life's marathon with no finish line, no water station, and no map. They will run so hard, but they won't know where they are going to. A mom once told me that she thought her daughter's rebellion was defiance. But after we talked, she discovered that her daughter wasn't rebellious. She was actually directionless. She didn't know who she was trying to be because no one helped her discover it. Number 3, the shift from performance to purpose. How do we break this cycle? How do we raise children who don't just perform, but live with purpose? It starts with 3 simple shifts, and I'll share it with you. Shift 1, observe, don't impose. Instead of deciding who your child should be, start discovering who your child is already. Every curiosity, every quirk, every strength is a clue. If your child organizes his or her toys by color, don't just say, "Oh, this is neat." Say something like, "Maybe there is a future designer, scientist, or system thinker in here." Shift 2, affirm identity, not just achievements. We often share for what our children do. Grades, trophies, neat rooms. But what if we also celebrate who they are becoming? Their kindness, their creativity, and their courage. The 3rd shift, model purpose. Children don't just follow instructions, they follow examples. If you, the parents, live on autopilot, they will think autopilot is the norm. But if you live with clarity and direction, you are silently teaching your children what alignment looks like. You can't lead your child towards clarity when you yourself are still lost. Before you ask, "What is my child's purpose?" ask first, "Am I living mine?" Now, the hope. It's never too late. Here is the best part. it is never too late to start. Even if you were raised without purpose, you can be the one to break the cycle. You can begin today with simple, honest conversation. Ask your child, what makes you come alive? Then listen. Listen. I worked with the parents who asked a 13-year-old child this question. And the child said, surprisingly, he said, Mom, I come alive when I help you. She cried that night. You know why? She saw not just her son, but his calling, his purpose. That is the power of parenting with purpose. If you've got value from this video, then watch my next video.